How to get the Disney Hulu Max bundle. Let's get started. If you're a new subscriber, go to Disney Plus, Hulu or Max websites. Choose your plan, $16.99 per month with ads or $29.99 per month without ads. Create a new account or log into your existing one. Enter your payment details and you will be billed monthly for the bundle. Already subscribed to one of the services? Go to your Manage Subscription section and switch to the bundle. Your billing will be consolidated and you will pay the bundle rate moving forward. Once you are subscribed, download or open the Disney Plus, Hulu and Max apps. Log in using your new bundle credentials. If Max content does not load through Hulu, just open the Max app, choose Hulu as your provider, and log in to link your accounts. This bundle does not include a free trial. Billing starts immediately, but it saves you around 40% compared to subscribing to all three separately and supports streaming on multiple devices. And that's how to get the Disney Hulu Max bundle. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.